The Taliban said on Monday that they had captured the last pocket of resistance in Afghanistan, the Panjshir Valley, even as opposition fighters vowed to keep up their struggle against the hardline Islamists. An image posted on social media by the Taliban showed its fighters at the governor's office of Panjshir province. However, the National Resistance Front, made up of anti-Taliban militia and former Afghan security forces, said its fighters were still present in strategic positions across the valley and that they were continuing the fight. The Taliban are in the final stages of forming the next government in Afghanistan after they declared complete capture of the Panjshir Valley, where the resistance forces had gathered and put up a strong fight against the Taliban. Sources have said the government formation in Afghanistan is in the final stage and the Taliban have invited Pakistan, Turkey, Qatar, Russia, China and Iran to the ceremony. The Supreme Court on Monday wrapped the government over a large number of vacancies in tribunals or quasi-judicial bodies across the country. Chief Justice N.V. Ramana said, "We feel the government has no respect for this court and warned you, the government, are testing our patience." The court issued a notice to the government giving it a week to make the appointments. Further hearings on this matter will be on September the 13th. The Shiv Sena has come to the defense of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the BJP's ideological mentor, after poet and lyricist Javed Akhtar's comments comparing the RSS to the Taliban. In an editorial in party mouthpiece Samna, the Sena pointed out that the RSS, for example, had not supported the religious frenzy that accompanied the beef issue and underlined, "No frenzy in the name of Hindutva is accepted here. Neither the Shiv Sena nor the RSS support that." India had administered at least 680 million COVID vaccine doses by Sunday, September the 5th. By the day, the centre had provided 668,980,635 vaccine doses to the states and union territories. Another 15,696,450 doses are in the pipeline. Meanwhile, by 7 a.m. on Sunday, 684,669,521 vaccine doses were given across the states and union territories.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.